You want to get a flat tummy? Let me help you with that. Are you tired of your little bum just popping out? You can't wear dresses, you can't wear something nice because you do not have a flat tummy. First, let me say this. Flat tummies are not a necessity, it's just a beauty standard. But I still understand having the desire of wanting it, like just wanting a flat stomach for beauty's sake, or it's just a personal preference. So if you want to get a flat tummy, this is all you need. It is literally so easy to get a flat tummy. It is not mathematics, it's not freaking physics or chemistry. It requires very little effort and very little work. I don't even know why the fitness industry is hiding all of these tips and tricks, but it is so freaking easy to get a flat tummy. So let's get right into it. Let me help you get a flat tummy. Number 1, avoid food that bloats you. One of the reasons you do not have a flat tummy is because you are always bloated. And bloatation is such a huge problem, especially in girls. First, let's just talk about being a woman with a flat tummy. First of all, it is highly impossible to be a woman and have a flat stomach because our organs are placed in a way in which we cannot have a completely flat tummy, which is normal, but you can get close to it, and that is what I'm explaining in this video. So one of the main reasons you do not have a flat tummy is because you're bloated all the time, and sometimes we do not even realize that we're bloated. We don't even know we're bloated because we're bloated all the time, that being bloated becomes our new normal, but it is not normal. So you need to avoid being bloated first things first. And the way you avoid bloatation, avoid getting bloated, is by avoiding trigger foods like dairy or cheeseburgers, salty food, a lot of fiber, chewing gum. There are a lot of things that can bloat a person up. You need to identify your food triggers first, things that make you bloat. Now for me, for example, I get bloated the minute I drink milk or have cheese. But a friend of mine won't get bloated, but she will get bloated if she eats salty food. So you need to identify what makes you bloat in the first place. And the other way to avoid bloatation is literally just stop swallowing air. I will have a different video on how to stop getting bloated, but this is just in short. Number 2, walk. Now, especially if you're a student or you have a desk job, you are spending most of your time sitting on a table and just doing your work. Trust me, when you sit for a long period of time, it damages your overall health, your spine, your bones, your muscles, and you get bloated because of the lack of exercise, because of the lack of movement. So if you get a break, which I know you do, walk around for a little bit. If you can get your work done while standing, get it done. Try to avoid sitting for long periods of time. And walking is one of the best exercises you could possibly do. It is low impact and you burn a lot of calories. I personally like to do 10,000 steps a day. I like to walk around. I like to take the stairs. If I can go to the grocery store walking instead of taking the car, I do that. So if you have the opportunity to do so, do it. Walk a lot. Not everyone has the opportunity or the time or the energy to always work out, but if you can get a workout in, please do so. But if you can't, walk, because walking is the best exercise ever. I'm telling you, even people who go to the gym 24/7, people who sit at the gym and work out 24/7, they still walk because walking is so essential. I don't even know how to explain it in words. It seems so simple and not beneficial, but it is beneficial because walking, unlike other exercises, it targets your overall body weight. It targets literally every single bone, every single muscle all over your body. You might think it doesn't, but it does, and you will be able to lose overall body weight, and which I will talk about later in this video. Now let's move on to my third point. Eat soluble fiber. Now, consuming foods that are rich in fiber can increase the feeling of fullness, which will prevent you from eating further, eating more than you actually have to. And eating fiber-rich foods will also help you decrease your calorie intake and absorption and help you prevent accumulation of fat around your organs. Now, fiber is a necessity when it comes to your nutrition. Try to get fiber anyway. Literally just open Google, see fiber-rich foods, try to include them in your daily meals, like 3 times a day, at least a little bit of fiber, so that you will be able to get all of those things, nasty things, out of your body, and you can have a flat stomach. Number 4, lose overall body weight. Now, I've said this before and I will say it again. You cannot just target your abs. It is pretty much impossible to just target your abs. In order to lose fat anywhere in your body, you have to lose overall body weight. Now, in order to lose overall body weight, you need to not be on a diet, but you need to consume less calories than you are wasting in a day. For example, if you're wasting 2000 calories a day, you need to eat 1500 calories a day, or at least 1600 calories a day, and vice versa if you're trying to gain weight. So in order for your abs to be visible or to have a flat stomach, you need to lose overall body weight by going to the gym, or just doing random cardio exercises, HIIT workouts, kickboxing, dancing, literally anything. Now, as I mentioned earlier in this video, not everyone has the opportunity to do so. So just walk if you can't, but if you get the time, like over the weekend, try to do a cardio workout, try to be active, try to get rid of some calories off of your body. But that does not mean you treat yourself to McDonald's right after doing so. Because trust me, burning off 2000 calories just to go to McDonald's the same evening and gain 2100 calories is not going to help you. So lose overall body weight, and when you lose all of that fat around your body, your muscles will be more visible. Now, if you are skinny fat, that means you do not have a lot of fat around your body but you still have a belly. That is because you are lacking muscle mass. That means you do not have enough muscles for your muscles to pop out, to make your body look more toned. In order for you to make your muscles pop out, you actually have to gain muscle. That means taking in more protein, doing resistance training, hitting the gym, lifting weights so that your muscles pop out more. Which takes me to my next point, doing ab exercises. Now, I have seen this so much. People who do everything right, but they always miss something. Now, let me explain this to you. Now, going to the gym, losing weight, like doing your training properly, doing HIIT workouts, doing your cardio, but you still do not see abs popping out. You still do not see those ab lines. You do not have a flat tummy. That is because you are not training your abs. It is important to do cardio and ab workouts together. You cannot do one without the other. Now, if you're lucky, you can do just cardio and get a flat tummy. Now, it all depends on your genetics. If you're blessed like that, you'll get it. Now, for most of us, even me, if I don't do cardio, if I'm not wasting a lot of calories a day, I won't be able to just get a flat tummy just like that. So I do cardio as well as abs so that I get the best combination of both and I get a flat tummy. I struggled with this so much during the very beginning of my fitness journey. I would do everything right, but I was not targeting my abs, like doing a lot of ab workouts. Now, I love to do my abs with dumbbells, with not just with body weight, but adding weight into it, because then my muscles pop out even more. So what I would recommend you to do is train your entire body if you can go to the gym, but just do cardio at home. Try to lose overall body weight, and you do ab workouts. You do not always have to have dumbbells. You can literally get a pack of rice or something around the house, water bottles. At home workouts are as efficient as working out at the gym, so don't get it twisted. So yeah, that's basically how you get a flat tummy. These are things that has personally worked for me, and whenever I gain a little weight, when I'm busy and I don't get to work out and I'm binge eating because of stress, these are all the things that I do and I immediately see results. So what I do is I avoid food that makes me bloat. I eat fiber-rich foods. I work out, I walk a lot, and I also do ab workouts. So yeah, that's basically it. I hope this video helped you guys, and let me know what other videos you guys would love to watch. I would love to make them for you guys. So yeah, that is it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.